Living near the Mediterranean shores is filled with beautiful fields, pristine oceans, and historical settings. And what's the best way to live in this place? By being luxurious. Imagine your $1,000,000 yacht next to your $1,000,000 home. And today on Finance Spur, we'll talk about the world's most expensive apartments and experience Monaco's Tour Odeon. But if you like more videos about finance stories, new and upcoming technology, or business tips and ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For today, we'll travel to the Principality of Monaco, one of the smallest sovereign states in the world that can be found on the French Riviera and near the Italian region of Liguria. Monaco is only 202 hectares and has a population of only 40,000. It is known for its elegant malls combining historical architecture with modern elements, grand casinos, and strong financial status, having a GDP of over $234,000 per capita. Monaco is also home to the Monaco Grand Prix and the Circuit de Monaco, or the shortest track in the whole series. Every year, thousands of tourists flock to the small country in private yachts. But what if we tell you that you can have your private view of the race directly above the second highest building on the Mediterranean coast? Standing at 170 meters, or about 560 feet, the Tour Odeon is the first skyscraper built in Monaco since the 80s. It has 70 luxury apartments. Residents have access to a health center, multiple swimming pools, an in-house caterer that serves the best dishes, and a 24/7 concierge service, and a private chauffeur. But the crown jewel of the building is the $365 million 5-story penthouse. Developed by Group Marzocco, it was designed by Monegasque architect Alexandre Giraldi. The penthouse has a 31,500 square feet area and occupies the 45th to the 19th floors. It includes a rooftop deck and a pool with a water slide that connects to an infinity pool. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 staff bedrooms, a home theater, and a spectacular 360-degree view of the ocean and the country of Monaco. Now, if you are hungry, there's a kitchen on every floor ready to cater to your appetite. The price tag also comes with the fact that a 90 square feet in Monaco can roughly go for $1 million. Located within the Golden Citadel of Monte Carlo, this building added another reason to make Monaco one of the most luxurious cities in the world. It is also near Larvotto Beach and the Ligurian Sea. If you want to dock your yacht, it's only a few walks away from the famous marina. And if you want to fly in style, it is 30 minutes away from the Nice airport in France. The building was the pinnacle of perfection. It took almost 5 years to be fully constructed, compared to Burj Khalifa, which was built in 6 years. Construction started in 2009, and the first floor was completed by 2011. And by 2012, construction was finished up to the 25th floor. Construction was finished by July 2013, and the facade was completed by 2014. It was finally opened in 2015. Is the Tour Odeon's penthouse overpriced? I want to know your opinions in the comments section below. But for more videos about finance, technology, and business, don't forget to click that subscribe button to support our channel. But aside from the Tour Odeon, there are much cheaper options than the $365 million penthouse. London holds second place with Penthouse D at 1 Hyde Park, worth over $247 million. It has 5 bedrooms and 18,000 square feet of living space with a huge swimming pool, home theater, and a library. It spans 2 floors and is next to Europe's largest Rolex store and a McLaren dealership across the street. It is currently owned by London real estate developer Nick Candy. Coming on the third is the Ritz-Carlton Penthouse in Manhattan, which offers a stunning view of Manhattan. This $118 million residence is the most expensive in the city. Offering 15,000 square feet, it takes up 2 floors and has a 2,000 square feet of terrace. It is separated into 3 units, but it cannot be bought separately. The second of 3 apartments was owned by Gary Siegel of 5 Star Electric. It has 3 bedrooms and was listed for $56.5 million. The third apartment was owned by financier Randall Yanker. It has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It was listed for $23 million and was eventually lowered to $19 million. But no matter how luxurious those penthouses may be, Tour Odeon will always take first place. Now, if you are interested in buying this property, you must be a full-time resident of Monaco and have a check ready for its hefty price tag of $365 million. But did you know there is a much more expensive house in the world? The Antilia Tower is currently worth almost $1 billion. And if you want to know more about the most expensive house in the world, or maybe about the possible stock market crash, please check out our other videos. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos about finance, technology, and business. But for now, this is Finance Spur. Have a great day.